Python's arithmetic operators are incredibly easy to understand. Let's start with addition. I'm going to do print. We're going to do 5 plus 8. When we run that, we're going to see that we get 13, which is 5 plus 8. Let's move on to subtraction. I want to also print 5 minus 3. Let's go ahead and run that again. You can see that we get 13 for 5 plus 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. Let's go to multiplication. I'm going to print 2 times 7. Let's go ahead and run that. You can see that we get 14. Let's move on to division. I'm going to print 8 divided by 5. Run that. You can see now something different happened. Now we have a decimal spot. This is because when you run division in Python, even if you're dividing two integers, you get a float data type. To get rid of the numbers after the decimal place, all we have to do is do print 8 divided by 5 with a double division sign. Then when we run that, we can see that now we don't have the decimal place anymore. But what if we want to get the remainder of a division? In modulus, all I have to do is print 8% sign 5. Now when we run that, you can see that we have a remainder of 3 after running this division. Exponentiation is incredibly easy. All we have to do is print. Let's do 2, and then we just have to do double asterisk. We'll do it to the second power. Let's run that, and we can see we now have 4. This might surprise you, but you can actually use mathematical operators on strings. Strings are words, basically. So, let's say we had the words hello. We wanted to add it to the word world. Now, when we run this, we can see that we've concatenated these two strings together to make one long string that says hello world.